Good morning, Lions. Today is Friday, May 5th, 2023. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are so excited you're here, and we know it'll be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions. Today's weather calls for sunny skies. However, it's slightly foggy today, so I think it's just because of the way the weather is. It's supposed to be 69 today. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. Sorry about that. For lunch today, we'll be having hot dogs or cheese nachos. Hey, it's Cinco de Mayo, so I'd be getting them cheese nachos if I was you guys. All right, birthdays. Today we have Jace Jeff turning 12 in Miss Hollins, Eli Lewis turning 8 in Miss Abad's, and Casey Ramirez turning 11 in Miss Sendejas' class. And we have no birthdays on the 6th or the 7th. When I tell you the May birthdays are little, it's not even a full page, and some months I have a page and a half. So if you are a May birthday, you guys are in good company because there are not that many of you. All right, Lions. Attendance yesterday, we had 40 absences, 43 tardies. That was 93%. So that was better. Classes with perfect attendance were Cedillo, Diaz, and Harrison. All right, Lions. Next Thursday, we have our last basketball game at Cinnamon. And state testing will also start next week on Tuesday. Now, remember, Lions, if you are late and you are going to be state testing, that means if you're showing up after 8:20, you're not going to be testing in your classroom. You will be testing with me in the late room. We're not letting you interrupt other people because you can't get here on time. School starts at 8:05. The tardy bell rings at 8:10. Your behind needs to be in your seat at 8:10. Period. We've got testing to do, and we've got too much to do. All right, and then 3rd through 6th graders, next week your recess will change with testing, and it will be a little bit later because of testing. So it'll be 10:20 to 10:40, and that's right, big kids, 4th, 5th, and 6th, you're going to get 20 minutes of recess instead of 15 because testing's going on. Okay, so just letting you know for those 2 weeks that will be happening. We also have adjusted your guys' PE times for some grades that are testing based on that testing schedule as well. All right, Lions. 2nd and 3rd graders. Soccer is canceled today, both recesses, for all of the Lincoln playground. You guys, it's getting too rough. You guys are taking this way too seriously. It's ridiculous. I'm going to be talking to Mr. B and to see if we have time to have a meeting today. We'll let you know. We were going to do the pop-up shop, and we still are. Make sure you have your Roarbucks with you. You can only buy one item. Lincoln students. So 2nd and 3rd grade only. We will do pop-up shop. We will do it at lunch recess. Okay? All right, Lions. Let me read the student of the month for April. The following students were named student of the month for last month of April. And that was showing Achieve. So Eric Rojas for Miss Abad's class. Lotus Silkwood for Miss Avla's. Mia Valdez for Miss Ayala, Bo Chambers for Miss Marcellus' class, Allison Holtz, Mr. Bentley's class, from Mr. Bentley, Aleana Aguirre for Miss Cano's, Max Candia for Miss Cedillo's, Princess Castillo for Mr. Charrington's, Jaden Lucaro for Miss Cherry's, Andres Garza for Miss Diaz's class, Alyssa Robles Garcia for Miss Jengrass's class, Jordan Jackson for Miss Guzman's class, Yareli Hernandez for Miss Harrison's class, Haley Almanza for Miss Hill's class, Alyssa Rico for Miss Holland's class, Winona Myrick for Miss Hope's class, from Mr. Carrillo, Josiah Salinas, from Miss Kennedy, Edgar Avila, from Miss Pimentel's class, Brianna Rosales, from Miss Martinez's class, Aaliyah Vasquez, from Miss Montoya's class, Syra Cervantes, from Miss Mosqueda's class, Kendra Sanchez, from Miss Rinaldi's class, Kaden Robledo, from Miss Shiloh's class, Josie Macias, from Miss Seamus's class, Jeremiah Cervantes, from Miss Walker's class, Fabi Mazan, from Miss Sendejas' class, Alex Santian, and from Miss Zoida's class, Calliope Lopez. All right, Lions. Also, we have a shout out to Eli Gonzalez and Angel Martinez for knowing 50 of their kindergarten sight words. Good job, guys. All right, it's been a while since I picked from the Roar bucket, and so we're going to pick some of these tickets now. Hopefully you guys... It just says Kimberly. Don't know which Kimberly that is. I'm assuming this is Kimberly. Little Kimberly. Jacob and 8J. We have... Oh, let me see here. Daniela in 1L. Breeza in 6J. Nevea Carrillo. Anthony Pimentel Malgoza in Miss Shiloh's class. I think that says Calliope in 6J. And Abby Gutierrez in Miss Shiloh's class. And two more. We have Josiah in 7J. And Malakis in 8J. All right, if I called your name, come on down and get a prize from the prize bucket. All right, Lions, that is all I have for this fabulous Friday. Remember, we are one school, we have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice. Make that choice today. All right, Lions, now time for the flag salute.